everything we've done in this book will be counted in 4 beats, but obviously not every song is counted in 4 beats. So if you go to page 22, it's the first time we're going to start doing things in 3s. Now the rhythm exercise 7, it's a bit different because we've been so used to up to this point using our red hand and blue hand. This one is just standard blank notes. So you can do this on the piano, you can clap this out, but this is all about counting, and we're counting in 3s. So how I like doing this, I like to take it away from the piano just to get the counting heads and hats on. So we're going to go through the first one, super easy, right? So A here, we're just going to count 3 out loud, and we're going to clap our cars along with it. So here, very easy, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nothing too complicated there. This is stuff we've been doing previously, so we should get along 7/8 super easy, no problems. But then you get to B and we're adding a new note here, a new rhythm symbol. So it's very similar to big car, but we're adding a dot next to it. So this just makes big car a 3-beat note. So we're going to call it a big car. Okay, so exactly like what we did previously, we're going to hold the note down for 3 beats. So big car. So we can go back to clapping it. So we're going to keep our hands together. So 7B here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we take it from our hands and we can take it to the piano so the child can hear what 3 beat sounds like while holding the note down. So 1, 2, 3, big car. 1, 2, 3, big car. Okay, so as you go through rhythm exercise 7C, you have to pay attention because these white notes are going back to standard white notes. So they're going for 2 beats here. So you have to really pay attention. Concentration's at an all-time high because we're learning something new, obviously. So I'll do C here. So this is 2 beats, okay? So big car, 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 car. Here we go. Big car, car, big car, car. Okay, so what I would advise is let the child do this. Maybe don't give them too many hints. Let them see if they can remember or understand the difference between a white note and a white dotted note. A big car or a big car, right? We'll get to D, right? So we're looking through all of rhythm exercise 7 here because it's the first time we're mixing a standard big car, a 2-beat note, with a big car, a 3-beat note, okay? So we're going to play it from beginning to end, and we're going to hear what this sounds like, okay? So pick any animals, it's really not a problem. Owl's eye is lovely. So we're going to go car, 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 big car, 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 car. Here's the 3. Big car. So one thing we might notice when we start counting in 3s, that the child might accidentally, well, they'll count 3, but they'll accidentally add the extra beat and make it 4 at the end because we're so used to counting in 4s that when you play it in 3, it feels different. So what might happen is they do this. They go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They count in 3, but secretly there's a 4th beat in there. So we want to try and get away from that. So it's a really easy method in what we're going to do here. So we're going to count it, okay? But we're going to add the word and after every number, okay? So we'll give you an example and then I'll tell you why we're doing this. So it would be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Now, if we give a child to say the and, they're more than likely going to go right back into number 1 after the 3 there. So 3 and 1. But if we don't do the and, most of the time the child will add the ghost beat at the end. So if that's what's happening with your child, give the 1 and 2 and way of counting, and you might see a big progression. But if not, continue counting 3, and let's hope it all goes well.